With each bite of the Hanami Dango, my senses are transported to the essence of springtime. The soft and chewy texture of the sweet rice dumpling, the subtle sweetness and gentle aroma create a truly unique culinary experience, and with each color representing a symbolic meaning. Pink for cherry blossoms, white for the peak bloom, and green for the leaves that have grown. This beloved treat captures the beauty of cherry blossom season. It's no wonder the Hanami Dango has become a beloved and meaningful treat in Japanese cuisine. Enjoy while under the sakura.